It's terrible. The floods. It's shocking. They don't know the answer yet as to how many people, but it looks like some young people have died.
Any federal aid for the...
Oh yeah, sure. We'll take care of it. We're working with the governor. We're working with the governor. It's a terrible thing.
What's your reaction to Hamas in the response to your peace proposal? They said they gave a positive response.
They said they gave me a positive response?
Yes.
Well, that's good. I mean, I've heard that, but they haven't briefed me on it yet. I think they're going to be positive about it. We have to get it over with. Hamas we have to get it over with. We have to do something about Gaza. We've been doing it. You know, we're sending a lot of aid, a lot of money and a lot of aid. Otherwise, you'll have people in big, big trouble. But, yeah, I think it's been very positive, a good response. Yes, please.
Did you sign any letters for your thing?
I did. I signed some letters, and they'll go out on Monday, probably 12. 12 different amounts of money, different amounts of tariffs, and somewhat different statements.
Mr. President, which countries will receive those letters on Monday?
You'll be announced. I have to announce it on Monday. I can't do it.
Mr. President, what do you want to hear from Prime Minister Netanyahu on Monday in your meeting?
Well, we're going to have a meeting on Iran, obviously. You know, the success, that was a great success. And blown to pieces, the whole nuclear thing. I would say it's set back permanently. If they were going to do it again, they might as well start in a different location because that location is totally demolished. They could start, but I would think they'd have to start in a different location. But if they did start, there'd be a problem. We wouldn't allow that to happen.
Mr. President, follow up. Mr. President, Iran has not agreed to inspections. Iran has not agreed to inspections. Iran has not agreed to give up their nuclear enrichment. With the ceasefire premature.
Well, you're saying they haven't agreed. Let's see what it is. They want to meet with me, so if they haven't agreed, then we're not going to have a very successful meeting. Right?
Mr. President, are you still optimistic about a Gaza deal next week?
There could be a Gaza deal next week, yeah.
How optimistic are you?
I'm very optimistic, but, you know, look, it changes from day to day. It's been changing for years. It changed. As I came in, I inherited a very bad situation in many ways. Whether it's 25 million people coming in from prisons, jails, from mental institutions, from gangs, you know, it's or that or Gaza. You could say Gaza. You could say I inherited Iran. We did something about it. We've gotten a lot of hostages out, as you know, from Gaza, a lot. But unfortunately, you know, we came into that. We inherited that situation.
Mr. President, can you tell us about your call with Zelensky today? How that went?
Yeah, we had a good call. We talked about different things, and we had a very good call. I think a very, very strategic call.
Are there plans to partner with Ukraine on munitions?
Well, we've been helping them, and we'll continue to help them. It's a pretty tough situation. We'll see what happens. I told you I was very unhappy with my call with President Putin, and it just seems like he wants to go all the way and just keep killing people. No good. It's not good. I wasn't happy with it.
I mean, it's like a lake. Our cars, everything. We've lived here for 30 years.
Bro, how's it been raining?
Yeah, well, stage and yeah, no kidding. No, stage and PA's gone.
This used to be a campground. These are all campsites. You can see the pipes for the RV sewage. It was all full too. All those RVs are downriver, stuck on trees like that one.